Hi guys, this is Meowdoku and we are playing level 15, so let's start. Okay, one more. Now, let's look at the colors. Yellow one should probably be there. Or here, yeah. Alright, our pink one should be there. Okay.
Nice!
Here, yes. Alright. We need 6 more to go. Our brown cat should be there. Yes. All right.
Perfect!
Green cat is here. Yes. Okay, 4 more to go.
Excellent!
Our blue one is probably there. Okay.
Amazing!
Here. Yes. All right.
Unbelievable!
Maybe there. Nice. All right. And the last one is here.